Hi, this is Anbin from UPrint. I have a quick announcement to make. So we're going to be dropping support for UPS and FedEx native integration, and we're going to offer UPS and FedEx integration through Shippo moving forward. Now, why are we doing this, right? So basically, starting June this year for UPS and August this year for FedEx, they're changing how we are supposed to integrate with them. So there's two major changes here. First one is that they're no longer allowing us to use the username and password authentication, and in favor of open authentication or OAuth. Username and password authentication for third-party service like this has been long considered not the best practice anymore. And open authentication, what it does is that basically you'd say, yes, I would like to integrate with UPS. You click a button in UPrint, it will take you straight to UPS, and on UPS you can say, yes, I agree, I consent to give UPrint permission to access my account. And then UPS will then notify us that the user has given you permission to access their account. Here's a secure token. So the secure token is different from your username and password. So that way, you don't have to worry about username and password leaks, and you can revoke the permission anytime. It's overall a better system, better way to authenticate. So I understand why UPS and FedEx are doing that. Second is that they're changing the protocol. So right now we're using a SOAP protocol. So what that means is that we're going to be sending XML over to UPS and FedEx, and they'll give us XML response. Now they're going to move to REST API. So what that does is that instead of sending XML, we're going to send JSON and then get JSON response back. Again, the industry has moved towards JSON API for a long time. So UPS and FedEx is a little bit late to the game. So good on them for catching up. However, this also means that whatever integration that we've written so far is practically dead. So what we need to do now is that completely rewrite everything from scratch for both UPS and FedEx, and then to make our current native integration work. And on top of that, we've received requests to support USPS and other carriers. And the burden of us maintaining each shipment integration is increasing a lot. So what we've decided is that it will be best for us to integrate with a provider that already integrates with all the shipments. So all we need to do is call a unified API, and then we will just get we'll be able to use the unified API to support a wide range of carriers, right? So that's the idea. And we've decided to move forward with Shippo, mainly because their API was simple and straightforward, and their pricing was also straightforward and transparent. So at the time when we integrated with Shippo was actually free, and if you wanted to use your own account, they were charging something like 5 cents per label, which we thought fairly reasonable. Recently they've revised their pricing, so I'm a little bit upset about that, but I understand they have their goals to meet. However, the new pricing is not too bad. They give you 30 shipments for free. So if you ship under 30, if you ship fewer than 30 boxes a month, so then you don't have to pay anything for that. And if you're shipping more than that, it's going to be $20 a month, up to 10,000 packages per month. So it's a pretty generous limit, and I've compared with a couple of other providers, and the pricing seems to be still fairly cheap. And you can also add your own UPS and FedEx account or any other carrier account to them. So what that means is that, let's say you have a UPS account and you want to use that account you only want to use that account, so you can go ahead and just add that account to add that account to Shippo. Now, Shippo also offers a UPS and FedEx and other carriers sub-account. And what that will do is that allow you to get a discounted rate. So for example, I think Shippo is advertising 65% discount on all UPS shipments, and up to 85% discount on all USPS shipments, right? So you can take advantage of deep discounts. So if you're using something like pirate ship or anything, it's worth considering Shippo for that. And finally, I just want to say we're really sorry. We really try our best to maintain the integration to best of our abilities. This is the first time we actually had to sunset a feature. So I'm truly sorry about that. But moving forward, we decided this is going to be the best way, since this allows us to spend more time, offering, developing a really polished shipment experience instead of giving a half-baked solution for every single carriers, and then supporting ever increasing number of carriers too. And I think Shippo has what, 85 plus carrier support. That's not a number that we can compete with. So we decided, just partnering with Shippo will get everyone forward. And moving forward, we're also going to be making a lot of improvements to our shipment module as well. So this will allow us to focus on that. And in case you are curious, rewriting UPS and FedEx integration from scratch would most likely take us a month each. So having said all of that, we're really excited for what Shippo has to offer. And we have a lot of cool things planned. And just stay tuned. Thank you.